How to redeem PayPal gift card. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To redeem a PayPal gift card, it is as easy as you think. Firstly, log into your PayPal account. That can be through your PayPal application or a website. Look for the Wallet section, often located in the top right corner of your screen. You need to click on the Add Money option within the wallet. You'll be prompted to enter the gift card number and PIN. These details are typically found on the back of the physical card or in the email if you have received a digital gift card. Review the information you have entered and click on Redeem. After that, you'll be able to redeem your gift card perks. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can go ahead and give a call to the toll-free number of your PayPal or check out the customer service as well. That sums up the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.